Yeah.
So I don't know, let me know. I will find it.
A lot of people are hitting the road though. I mean,
Yeah.
we have the big holiday week coming up.
And weather-wise, it'll be kind of hit or miss depending on when you want to hit the roads or travel by air, because we are expecting some storms on the way early next week. But just in time for Thanksgiving, the temperatures will be coming down. Saw more breaks in the clouds during the day today, and that has really created a gorgeous sunset. Actually, just a minute ago, we had a lot more pinks and oranges in our setting sun as it's kind of reflecting off of the base of these mid-level clouds. Very pretty evening. The humidity, though, is still up. Dew point is 65. That will be coming down during the early tomorrow morning, I should say, as our front moves on through, and we'll gradually see the humidity coming down during the course of the day. Today's high hit 75 degrees. All this week we've been in the 60s, so back into the 70s and back above average. And high temperatures will be above average. Normal is 71 now, but we will see a drop in the humidity, so it'll have a more comfortable feel. Today it did have a little bit more of a humid feel, upper 60s and lower 70s outside right now. All locations warmer than at this same time yesterday. You get a little bit of sunshine, that'll do it for you. And the dew point still mid and even some upper 60s, but it'll be those values that come down as we get later into the mid-morning and afternoon hours. So it'll start feeling a little bit more comfortable. And with that drier air, we will see a bit of a cool down by Sunday, because really the air mass that is on the march with our front is not really cooler. And the reason why is that the upper energy that is pushing this front south is staying well to our north. So this is where the colder of the air will stay, not coming really any farther south. What we will see, though, is a drop in humidity, which will make it feel a little bit more comfortable through the weekend. And again, outdoor plans this weekend, weather looks like it'll be fantastic behind this weak front. First of two fronts that'll be on the way. A lot more sunshine as well. This will kind of help to clear out some of this mid-level cloudiness that we've had. And then as we head into Sunday, models kind of differing on just how much cloud cover we're going to see. I do think we'll see kind of a quick increase in cloud cover as our next storm system, next cold front, moves on through. Let's try and time out the rainfall with this next system. And I am using the Euro because it has a little bit more consistency. The GFS kind of keeps flipping back and forth. So we'll use the Euro. As we get into Monday, probably about a 30, maybe 40% chance for some showers and storms. Notice on Monday as well, we'll see a warm front move northward. So it does look like temperatures may peak upper 70s, maybe even a few lower 80s. Most of our storms with the front, and there will be a risk of some severe weather, probably not moving in until well after dark, maybe closer to midnight. Again, we're kind of fine-tuning as we get closer the exact timing of these storms, but it all looks to come in probably starting after midnight and hopefully right at about daybreak or just after, as folks are hitting the road for work or schools out next week, probably starting to see some clearing and then quickly seeing the rain come to an end for the rest of the day, and also quickly seeing that surge of colder air moving in behind the front. So most of the timing does look to be more overnight. That slight risk is still possible Monday going into Tuesday, primarily in the Florida parishes and on the North Shore, also into southern Mississippi. As far as flooding goes, that's not going to be an issue. Rainfall amounts look to be maybe about an inch or more. So as far as any heavy rainfall, this does not look to be that kind of an event, but at least it'll help to bring in some rainfall. And as far as after that, the GFS still tries to develop this little Gulf low for Thanksgiving, bringing in a chance for rainfall. The Euro consistent and keeping us in the clear. So we're going to go with the Euro, the chilly weather, and sunshine for Thanksgiving Day. High temperatures in the next couple of days staying again just above our normal high of 71. We'll likely see a spike in temperatures. Doesn't look to be a great deal of instability for severe weather, but a low-end threat going into overnight and early on Tuesday. Temperatures throughout the day Tuesday will be dropping. Highs struggling into the 50s with 40s and 50s to begin the morning on Wednesday, so really won't see much of a warm-up at all. And I think after a morning in the maybe even some upper 30s on the North Shore, highs Thursday in the upper 50s, and it looks like another cold front moves in for next weekend.
The LSU men